Here's an update on the grape that I put in a container. It's finally coming out. It only took like a week, so I'm surprised it did so well in a week. As I told you, I have it in partial sun. Only in the morning it gets sunshine because I have this big loquat tree covering it, because you don't want the full sun on the first year that you plant bare roots. So I'll have an update for you, see how it does, and then I'll try to plant it next year on the ground. I'll just put it on the container just for the time being. And this is blueberry seedless grape, black grape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your questions or comments in the comment area, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my trees. Thank you.